Do you crave something crunchy in the evenings but want to avoid fried snacks? Or do most of your salads feel boring or not satisfying? If you said yes to even one, then this roasted makhana salad is going to be your new favorite healthy snack. To make this filling and ready in 10 minutes salad, we would need 2 cups of makhanas, quarter cup of chopped cucumber, quarter cup of tomatoes, some finely chopped green capsicum, quarter cup of finely chopped onions, some boiled corn, and handful of roasted peanuts. For the dressing, we will use 2 teaspoons of extra virgin olive oil, 2 teaspoons of honey, 1 to 2 teaspoons of lemon juice, 1 teaspoon roasted jeera powder, 1 teaspoon black salt, and some chaat masala. Moving to the making, heat up a pan and roast makhanas on low flame and keep stirring continuously because this helps them get evenly crisp and also keeps them from burning. After about 4 to 5 minutes, break one makhana and check its crispiness. If it's crisp enough, then get them off the flame and let it cool down completely. While the makhanas cool a little, let's prepare a sweet and tangy dressing to go with the salad. So mix extra virgin olive oil, honey, lemon juice, roasted jeera powder, black salt, and chaat masala. Give it a good mix to make it smooth and do add a little salt if needed. Tangy and a light dressing is ready, perfect for the salad. Next, add all the veggies to a large bowl. Here I'm using tomatoes, cucumber, boiled corn, capsicum, onions. You can add or skip veggies as per your choice. Go on to add roasted peanuts and then coat them well in the dressing. Mix everything together so veggies coat well in the dressing. Now add the roasted makhanas right at the end so they stay super crunchy. Give it a gentle mix and that's it. A colorful, crunchy, protein rich roasted makhana salad ready in minutes. Top it off with some fresh coriander leaves and pomegranate. Just look at those colors. Every bite has crunch, freshness, and that perfect hint of masala. It's such a simple salad but feels so comforting and satisfying. The kind of bowl you'll want to make again and again.